Yeah, so welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah, so today I want to do a live trade, a live future trade for you. So I want to do XRP and I want to trade with just $7. Yeah. So when I go to my trade here, so right now currently you can see that it's falling and I'm going to short. The reason why I'm going short is that I just do a screenshot and send it to ChatGPT. This one is not advisable. ChatGPT, and he made a suggestion for me that if the price falls to break above 2.1997 and I send it to him 1993, then I should go short. And if the candles close suddenly above 2.203, increasing volume, I should go long. And you can see that it touches down, so I'm going short. Yeah. So I'll go to futures and I will choose XRP. XRP is my favorite pair that I normally trade. Then I'll go short. So before you go short, you have to add the money. And one thing I like about XRP is that like you can trade as little as you have. Like yeah, so I'm trading with 7.365. Yeah, and I'm doing with 50 times leverage. That one too is not advisable. Yeah. So let me go short and after that we'll talk. Or let me set my stop loss. Take profits should be, let's say I'm going short, so 2.0. I know do it 2.0 and stop loss should be 2.2 because I don't want to lose much. So I'll go short. Short. So I'm in and you can see that I'm in. So right now, let me do my explanation. Like, I'm going down, I'm going down, I'm going down, I'm going down. But still, let me do the reason why I go short. Why I go short is that you can see that right now from 30 minutes coming, 30 minutes coming here. The green candles are much, and here it experienced long distance. Yeah, and since 4 hours, the longest that it have went to is 2.2. It's right there, 2.2. Yeah, 2.2. And I think that for it to hit 2.2 right now will be difficult. Yeah, it will come down small and after that it can go top. That is why I go short. Yeah, it's not about ChatGPT telling me to go short, but I wanted to try that formula and see. Yeah, and normally too I use another analysis to do with that one. I already tell my students. Yeah. And the reason why I choose 50 times leverage, people say that I just $7 and you're choosing 50 times leverage. I'm just using it to teach you. And if I choose 10 times leverage, Charlie, you will not get anything. Yes, I did not get anything. That's why I choose 50 times leverage. Yeah. And you can see that here, my entry price was 2.197 and market price is this. And my take profit is 2 and my stop loss is 2.2. So it means that if it goes up to hit 2.2, I'm out. I've hit stop loss, I'm out. It's nothing. Yeah. And the reason why I always say that as a beginner, you always have to set your trade or your stop loss close to your entry. Yeah, and the reason why I always trade market price is that at times when you set it to limit order and the market is going, you can see that here is stuck. So when I want to enter trade and this one is 2.1960, it will not enter trade for me. But when it's market order, anytime I enter trade, it will use the market order to do it for me. That's why normally I use market order to do it. Yeah. So you can see that right now, for let's say 3 minutes right now, I'm losing. It's going up, I'm losing. And if it hits 2.2, I'm out. If it hits 2.2, I'm out. And the reason why, like, it's not, let me tell you one thing. It's not a crime to lose. It's not a crime to lose. Charlie, it's not a crime to lose. Because the more you're losing to, the more you to be building your mind. It's not a crime to lose. It's not a crime. to lose. Yeah. And it's always advisable as a beginner when you want to try or learn something, you have to set your stop loss close in order when it hits, you will not be losing much. Yeah, you'll not be losing much. Yeah. So right now currently I'm in a trade and I'm here. At times I can even take this $7 to, let's say, $20 within some short time. It's not magic. It's how it is. Yeah. And you can see that right now. Let me show you something. Charts here. You can see that my entry was here. Right now is going up. And if it hits here, here 2.2, I'm out. Is that thing? Yeah. So this is where you have to build your psychology well. You have to build your mental well, because like when you say, oh, he's going, he's going to hit it, then you want to be out. At times it can go up and it will fall. So it's always advisable to, when you're doing future trading, put money that, like, let's say you are like, you will not be mad if you lose it, and you'll be happy when you get profit. You always have to do that, because like if you put your last savings in trading, it's not advisable for you to put your last money in trading. No, always put or always trade with money that if you lose, you're okay with it. If you make profit, you're okay with it. Because like, let's say currently I'm down, and it's still going up because I came down. So if it's good up and hit this here, I'm losing money like that. Right now I'm down with negative 2.2, negative 0.22. It's not even up to 1. It's that thing because of the money I invested in it. Yeah, I just put $7 to show you. Yeah, and I'm cool with it, because if I lose this money, I'm cool. But if I earn more profits, I'm also cool. And I know that I will earn profit on it because I've done my analysis, and I always say that right now it's coming down. So let me show you one thing. Let me show you something. So everything that is coming down. So if we don't have the VIM and it was going here, and say, Chal, I'm losing my money, then you close it, you're making mistakes. So you can see that right now it's hit this point and it's coming down as well. Yeah, that is why I'm always saying that your chart analysis, you have to be well with it. You have to know how to read it, how to read the candles and stuff. And this strategy, everybody have is or her own. My own is C-Lord strategy. How I read my arbitrage analysis and my future candles analysis, or future let me say, okay, future candle analysis. Yeah, you just have to know that, okay, this, it will go down, it will go top. Yeah, you have to know that this one, you have to put much time in it to learn, for you to understand and know what you are doing, or else you will be losing money. And at times it's good to scalp, at times too it's good to scalp, at times too it's for you to know that, okay, the market I'm entering, I'm going short or long, and the short is where I'm going. And don't let anything like cross you that, I'm scared, let me change it. No, the moment you change it, it will go against you. Yeah. So currently I'm still in the trade. Right now I'm still down negative 0.12 right now. Yeah, and I still hope for best. Yeah, I still hope for best, because like it's not yet up to my like stop loss, and I've already told you that you have to set the stop loss to the target that if it hits the stop loss, you will not be losing much. That's another strategy. Don't set a stop loss to where you'll be losing much. You can say that right now, like it's in profit. 0.01 is in profit. Yeah. So imagine if you put much money, and as a beginner, I'll advise you to trade with like at least $50 account. Yeah, $50 account. But me, I have taken $10 account to $50 account to $100 account before. Yeah, it's normal. It's normal, because me, I normally trade with 50 times leverage 100 times leverage. Like, yeah, it depends. Yeah. So we are in, and I said SRP is going short. Yeah, and my take profits is 2. It's going straight to. So if it goes to 2.0 something storage 2, I will sign out. If it goes to, let's say, 2.11 something, I would still take my profit. At times you will set your take profit, and maybe you'll be earning much profit on it, and it's not yet hit your take profit. Still, you can close the market. Yeah, you can close the market. You can close the market. Yeah, that's how it is. And people have been asking me why I always put my this into isolated. I've already like talked much about this. Yeah, but if this is your first time watching me, let me tell you much about it. If this one is at cross, it means that the moment I'm in the trade, and let's say runner is at 50 times leverage, and the money in my account finish, it will cross to the remaining money in my account. That I didn't use it to trade. But if it's isolated, the moment the money in my account, like, it's go down to hit that thing, I'm out. It will sign me out from the trade. Is that thing to sign me out from the trade? And that's how it is. Yeah. And I would advise you that you have to master one to five pairs. Yeah. Just master 1 to 5 pairs. Because me, I've mastered 1 to 5 pairs. I trade SRP, Trump Coin, Solana. I don't trade Ethereum and BTC anymore. I trade USDC and AD, yeah, AD, yeah. And I've tried home too. I've tried home too as well. Yeah, yeah. So this one, you can see that it's live. It's just live. It's live trade. It's live. It's live trade. It's live trade. So if the profit is good for you, you can close it. But me, I'm in. At the moment, it's not yet hitting the stop loss. I'm in. I'm in. And I've already told you that you have to have a strategy when you're trading and when to enter. Don't just enter markets. No. Don't just enter markets. That one, at times, ChatGPT helped me when to enter. You can see that this here, like ChatGPT told me that I should go short at the moment the price falls to break above this. So the time I shot that picture, it was 2.1993. So if it's faced to go above 1997, then we should go short. And if the candles close solidly above 2.203 with increasing volume, I should go long. But at that moment, the price was struggling to go above this. That's why I go short. That's one thing I go short. Yeah. And it give me like entry. It's giving me entry. Yeah. And this one, it was 3 minutes charts but I don't like this one. For this one, is was a 3 minutes chart. You see that in 3 minutes chart. But normally I put my targets from 4 hours to 3 minutes. Yeah, that's where I put my focus on. Yeah, so you have to know when to enter trade and where to exit from trade. Yeah, so I'm in, and the results, so you know how I'll do it. I'll post the results in my group as well. Yeah, this is just $7 account, and I've already told that I want to build this account to $100 account. I've done some before. Like, if you follow my live videos, you can testify to it. I've done some before. I've built $10 account to 20, 30, 40, 50 to 100. I've done some before. This is not just my first time doing this. I've done some before. Yeah. So we are still in the trade, and I'll post the results in the group. Yeah. So if you want to learn much about future trading, I can guide you for you to learn much about future trading. Future trading and spot trading is that. Spot trading is buy and hold, but future trading is Charlie. Only shame you are getting a profit for a day. That's why we call ourselves day traders. we get our profits just in a day. Yeah, and that's how it is. Yeah. So I'm still in the trade. I'm still in the trade. I'm still in the trade. So imagine if you put higher money in it, and I give you signals for you to trade. Challenge, you're going. And at times, so it's good for you to scalp. You can say that, oh yeah, I've ended it, then pop, you close market. You wait for another entry. You go, you close market. It's strategy. Yeah. So I'm still in. I'm still in, baby. I'm still in. 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 Yeah. So have you seen it? It's going up. I'm still in. I'm still in. It's going. I'm still in. Can you see that here? You see, it's real account. Yeah. I'm still in. Yeah. I'm still in. So don't be so if you're a beginner, I will not advise you that if you want to start trading futures, don't use demo accounts. Just use small money, do futures, like let someone guide you, mentor you, and you're good to go. Yeah. So I'll put my results out for this. This one is $7 account, right? So I'll show you the results. I'll show you everything. Like let someone guide you, mentor you, and you're good to go. Yeah. So I'll put my results out for this. This one is $7 account, right? So I'll show you the results. I'll show you everything.